Platform migrations are often slow, expensive, and filled with manual rebuild work. Data teams spend weeks translating existing ETL or ELT logic into a new tool, then even more time testing and fixing the gaps. Convert Workloads removes the heavy lifting by automating workload conversion into production-ready pipelines, so that teams can migrate faster with less effort using Maia. Convert Workloads is powered by Maia, Matillion's integrated agentic data team. Maia takes exported workload files from other platforms and converts them into optimized, cloud-native pipelines. Instead of rebuilding jobs manually, you can convert and move forward faster with pipelines that are ready to run instantly. To run a conversion, you will need the following: the project files from your source platform stored locally or in an accessible Git repository like GitHub or GitLab. Access to Maia should also be enabled, and the right permissions to create and deploy pipelines in the target project and environment. So let's jump into how this works. We have an existing ETL workload built in another platform. We want to move it quickly without rebuilding it from scratch. We will start by navigating to the project we want to use. Then we will click the Files icon, select Add from the drop-down menu, and then select Convert Workloads. On the Convert Workloads with Maia screen, we'll select a workload type. You will find that all supported platforms are listed under the workload type. Next, we choose a file loading method: Git repository files or upload files. If you want to, in my case, I will click the Upload Files button. Once I have chosen the files to upload, I'm going to select Submit to begin the analysis. We can choose what to do once the pipelines have been analysed. We can review the results before deciding how to proceed with Maia, or we can process directly in Maia straight away. In my case, I'm going to have Maia process the results without asking for permission straight away. As you can see, the results get passed and Maia begins processing the results. Maia immediately creates pipelines in the environment with no approval required. Maia supports a growing set of major data platforms, and support is expanding. If you want to find out which major data platforms are supported, you can follow the link in the description of this video. So, using Convert Workloads, we just turned an existing pipeline from a different platform into an optimized pipeline without any manual rebuild work. We just uploaded the file and Maia took care of the rest. If you want to learn more about Maia and its capabilities, go to matillion.com/Maia.